This just in, there is an emergency afoot. Monkeys have been sighted. Yes, monkeys. These aren't any ordinary monkeys. These have lethal barbs at the end of their tails. They look a little something like this. We conclude that these monkeys are alien monkeys, sent to kill us all. And there have also been missing people around the same time that the monkeys have been sighted. So, we think that the monkeys kill people. Like this. This is a danger to our society and must be stopped immediately. If you are attacked, killed, or witness an attack by one of these monkeys, please contact this number. This will help protect our society and keep us safe from these alien monkeys. This has been a Muffin Pies production. Peace out, homies.